Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to create Excel hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are incredibly useful for making your spreadsheets more interactive and easier to navigate. Whether you want to link to a website, another file on your computer, or even a specific cell within your current workbook, this easy method will help you achieve it. We'll cover the most straightforward ways to embed these powerful links, ensuring your data is always just one click away. The simplest way to create a hyperlink is by using the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. First, select the cell or text you want to turn into a link. Then, you can either right-click and choose Link or navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click the Hyperlink button. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to type in a web address, browse for a file, or select a place within your current document. It's a very intuitive process. For more dynamic or formula-driven links, the hyperlink function is your best friend. This function allows you to create a clickable link directly within a cell using a formula. It takes two main arguments. The first is the actual link location, and the second, which is optional, is the friendly text that appears in the cell. This method is fantastic for creating links that change based on other data in your spreadsheet, offering great flexibility and automation. To make the most of your Excel hyperlinks, consider a few best practices. Always use clear and descriptive text for your links so users know exactly where they're going. It's also crucial to test every hyperlink after creation to confirm it points to the intended destination. Finally, remember to update your links if the files or web pages they refer to are ever moved or renamed, ensuring your spreadsheets remain functional and user-friendly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.